Introducing the new W6 handheld vacuum. Easy setup, and you can use it straight away. Upgraded cleaner head, double pressure, double power suction, smoother movement to maximize the capabilities, and 2 times more effective suction. Vacuum everything, even the tiny hidden dust. 2-in-1 changeable tools attachment help you to change sets in no time. Additional dust mite brush, terminate the bug that been living under your fabric. 4-stage filtration system that will block all those particles, and you can clean the filter with water just like that. W6 handheld vacuum from Electrova.